I get a lot of questions asking about the vitamin K shot, so let's talk about the vitamin K shot, shall we? Most parents have no idea why babies are born with low vitamin K, and it's not a flaw in the design, it's part of the design they never explain to you. Babies are born with low vitamin K for a reason, and a very good one at that. At birth, their cord blood is loaded with stem cells that rush to any damaged areas from labor. If newborns had high vitamin K levels at birth, that stem cell rich cord blood wouldn't migrate the same way. That's why delayed cord clamping is so crucial. When you clamp immediately, you steal up to a third of the baby's blood volume and the stem cells meant for healing. Meanwhile, colostrum, that liquid gold a mother produces immediately after birth, has way higher vitamin K than mature breast milk. Again, not a mistake, not a coinky-dinky doodle. It's how God designed the system. But instead of honoring that system, the hospital jumps straight to a synthetic vitamin K injection. Before the cord is done transferring, before the baby is even 5 minutes old. And they never mention the oral option that bypasses the injection completely and all of the poison in the shot. Poison like polysorbate 80, which opens the blood-brain barrier, which is not a good thing. Propylene glycol, which is an industrial solvent used in, ready for this, antifreeze. Castor oil derivatives, benzyl alcohol, which is linked to gasping syndrome in newborns. And in some formulations, if you're unlucky enough, their favorite poison, aluminum. All injected into a brand new immune system within minutes of life. It's insane, guys. This isn't protective. This is interference with long-term consequences they never talk about. Most parents have no idea that placentas and foreskins are big money, and the system has quietly built an entire business model around your newborn's body. The average placenta can sell for $300 to over $1,000. The amniotic membrane inside it, hospitals resell those, grafts for $1,500 to $2,500 each. Anti-aging companies use placental stem cells and serums that go for $200 to $1,200 a bottle. And here's the wild part. The earlier they clamp the cord, the more usable and valuable the placenta becomes. And now you know why they get so annoyed if you ask to delay that cord clamping just a little bit and give the non-monetary value inside to its rightful owner. Your baby gets less of their own blood for money, literally making it blood money. And what about foreskins? One newborn foreskin contains enough fibroblast cells to create millions of skin grafts. It's used in burn treatments, drug testing, and anti-aging cosmetics. Entire biotech companies are built off this tissue, but they don't tell parents that, and they certainly don't let you take it home and sell it to the highest bidder yourself. And how about this fact most of my fellow Americans would be surprised to hear? 70% of the world is uncircumcised. But in the US, they program you to think you're dirty, weird, or less evolved if you simply want to keep your son's genitalia intact. Factory default settings. That's not tradition, it's marketing, and it's pure evil. And here's where it gets really crazy. Everyone says circumcision is a religious practice thousands of years old. But obviously they didn't have vitamin K shots back then, yet the hospital refuses to circumcise your baby unless you get the shot. From the moment you're pregnant, this system is grooming you into compliance. Flu shot in pregnancy, COVID shot, RSV shot, early clamping, vitamin K, circumcision, Hep B before your baby even opens their eyes. It's not about health, it's about onboarding a customer for life before they even take their first breath.